Now, hello students. This is the uh, main part of the Django project, view called as view, and we will use either Python functions or Python classes. We will use as a listing list and fetching model. It will helps to fetch the objects in the model, and also we will this used to uh, follow the CRUD convention. That means CRUD convention is a for example creating model, create, retrieve, or update, and delete. This is the CRUD functionalities, and for example, and also we will first we will do the listing of all uh, all products. Okay, so here okay, so listing is a very easy listing of the all product, and now we will do that. And for example, this CRUD functionality, if you have a your own blogs, you can create a blog, retrieve the blog, update the blog, or delete the blog, or list all of the blog. And now we'll define the function as listing list. Okay, and we'll give the argument name as a request, and like this is the function, and we will give the name argument name as request, and we will fetching the models like this. We will fetch by model name, model class name. We will import first this class name from models import listings. Okay, so then we can fetch the objects and we have the all of these methods all, and create, update, delete, every method we having we specify with this function, and we will store in the lists. Okay, this is the variable, it will store this all fetching model. We will customize this as a variable, and now this will give the return as a render function, and we will give the argument request argument, and we will give the template name as a listing.html, and also we will give the data as listings. Okay, so we will give the data. This is the basically data, not a listing. Context we will give. Context is the Python, basically Python data, and also context is basically data, right? And context is actually here a Python dictionary. We doing as a Python dictionary. Copy this context and paste it here. Okay, so we will use the key and value in the dictionary. Key and value name as lists. We will use let's like this, and we will create template name in template. This HTML file, we will create HTML file in the template folder. New file as this name. Yes, created. And previously we set up the settings.py file directories. We set up the base directory and template folder directory. We given the directory path inside the base directory. We have the template folder, so we already given the template directory here. If not given, please give this, otherwise it will give the error. And one other important thing is this is the template, and this is the project folder we have, and this is the app folder, and this is the project folder product. And go to the URLs, and this URL is helping to point out our views. And already we have a admin URL path, and another path we should mention, that is we created this function, right? So this function we should give function name. We should import by from app name is a lists, and in view we have that import and paste that function name, and create another path as empty. Why? Because for example, this is the admin dashboard URL. After this server URL, we will give /admin, right? So without any giving anything, it will redirect in this URL. So if you're giving anything, something, this URL / something what we given, okay, like that. And this function name, listing list, give it here, save this. And now empty, you can see here now. Save this all, and see it here. We don't have any code inside the listing.html, that's why it show blank. And inside the HTML we using Jinja template. Django has a syntax for templates that is called as Jinja, and which is specific HTML syntax for injecting and working with the data, which very similar to the writing Python. For example, for item in items, like this is the Python codings, right? Like that, which is very similar to writing Python inside the HTML. For example, I given, and for how Jinja temple is having syntax means, we should open the flower bracket and this symbol, and for we have this listing as value, right? Specify after this list in lists, okay. So list in list, and close with this close this followed by end for. Without giving space, you should close, you should write this end for. Don't give in between like space like this, give this end for. And also another Another syntax, we will use double flower bracket, and we'll use this list dot something. Inside the model we have this title and price, right? Title, what we given in admin panel, that will show it in that URL, right? Okay, title will display in our website. You can see book we have in the admin panel, we added this, and inside the listing we have the book. Okay, we have price also, and example price. If you're going to visit the website, you will get the book 1 price is this. And you can add HTML, CSS, anything you can add. And I will write this as a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, this is the all things are paragraph. Okay, already that is paragraph, right? Okay, if I'm giving h1, going to be inside the h1 heading, going to be, it shows as heading, right? Like that. So if you want to add another product, you can add with this admin panel also. This is one of the method. Easily can add, delete, update. Book pen 1 500. So if you're going to visit the page, it will show pen and price, right? Like that. So it worked like this. In the next video you will learn about create, retrieve, update, delete. Here you will write the function code and all, and you will learn